Hi, Unit 4, Activity 1 has us creating a worksheet, which is a working document. Here they're showing you the accounting cycle, which is really the basis for this course. So the transaction occurs for a business. You journalize it in the journal, which you've learned. Post it to the ledger, which you've learned. And then you would prepare a worksheet, which is a working document for the accounting people. And then that would move you forward to making an income statement and a balance sheet. How do you make a worksheet is the intention or the learning goal for this particular activity. They have Pete's Gym. They've given you a word or a visual of what it looks like. There's 6 steps to completing the worksheet. I'm going to walk you through each of the steps in this Excel version because a worksheet would be in Excel. So I click on that. I'm going to open the file. Okay, so first thing, number 1, is record the heading. So I'm going to use color to highlight the things that I'm doing. So that's the first thing. Record the trial balance information. So I may have to, from the ledger, take the account names, which are here. These are the names of the accounts. And then take the debit and credit from each account, the balance, and place it here. These should equal each other. As always, they should balance. Okay, so now what we want to do is I want to take the amounts that are here, that are the asset amounts, they're debit balances. I'm going to take them and place them over here on the balance sheet. As you can see, we're doing a balance sheet here. That's where these numbers come from. So that's step 3. Step 4 is to take the accounts payable, the bank loan, these 2 accounts, 750, 540, and then the equity capital, and transfer them over. It's all part of step 3. Step 4 is to take the revenue. So in this case, it's called fees earned, and we're going to transfer it to the credit column of the income statement. Now we need to take the expenses. So there are 4 of them. Place them in the debit column, all part of step 4. Calculate your net income. The net income is your revenue right here, minus your expenses is this, $29,590. How I complete the income statement is take your revenue, bring it down, add, if I go equals, if I click on went completely sideways right here. I just need to make this row a little bit wider, and the row here a little wider. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this is done. So I'm going to click on the total expenses and then the net income, and I balance at 56,800. That's what they want you to do. So you can see that these numbers are all correct and the same. Next thing is you take this net income and you move it to the credit side of the balance sheet. So that's what we've done. And then again, here what we're going to do is equals, click on your total credits on the balance sheet plus the net income, and it should equal 71,380, which is the total of the debits, and you just bring that number down. And how you do that is equals, click, bring it down. So now we're good. All done.